So hello guys, as you can see we are here in the same place in my room. It's it's really a dim here. Anyway, let me see let me see you or let me see you let me show you the my room like that. Uh, okay, this is the same room. So let's start. Let's start with the background. Did you leave me apart? You must little. So let's start with the background. Body, background element. Okay. Then the centered rectangle here. Let's do that. Okay, class center. So copy this. Rename this, and the color is blue. Okay. Then put this on the center. Absolute. Margin auto. Position column. And then insert 0. And then adjust the height, the size, so the width and the height. Okay, let's put the cursor there to tell the difference. Let's stretch the width like so. Okay, maybe 70. Okay, that's cool. Then let's do next this top left rectangle. So you can name this top rect. Copy. This is bot rect. So this top rect, let's copy the center. Rename this. Change the color to the background color. Then reduce the size. Reduce the width. And then push this to the top. Top, left, right, bottom. And push this to the top. Yes. Put negative value here. Negative value. Okay, the height maybe 75. Put a negative value here. Put the cursor here. 95 or 90. Maybe 85. Okay, we're good with this. Then push this to the left. Okay, then let's reduce the width. Then push this to the left. 90. Okay. Add 0. This is 90. Okay, let's add 5 pixels. Then this is 95. No, not the height. but the width here. Oops, 65 maybe, and then this is 95. Oh boy, this is getting... Okay, we're good with this. And then copy, paste for the duplicate, then rename this to bot, like here. Then invert the value here, like that. So next we're gonna do the circle. Copy these two rectangle, paste. So this is top circ. This is top circ for circle. Then copy here, paste. This is top circ. This is the same sides, the same height and width. Then let's push this to the right, so positive value here. Then put a border radius to achieve a rounded corner. Border radius 50%. Okay, let's push this to the right more. Maybe 190. Like that. 170. Maybe 175. Okay, I'm good with this. Copy this top circ for the bottom circ. Bot circ, and invert the value here. So this is bottom and this is on the left side. Okay. Then all that's left is this side here. It looks like a spoon holder, a case for the spoon and a case for a fork. Anyway, they're like a utensil casing. So let's put here case right, and this is case left. Maybe right. Right case and left case. So let's rename this right case. Then put sides. Put value in their width and the height. So height the same as this.
Palikis ako dito shampoo powder, palmolive nga green, dayon cream silk nga green.
Paman ka lang.
Ha, kay maligo ko. Wala si Chang. Si naatog bangbang si Ilay kapanilig sa gawas.
Apas lang ako.
Laptop pod ka. Ha, pan pa hat. Palmolive nga green, dayon cream silk nga green. Pero kung walay palmolive na green, bisag unsa na lang siguro na basta palmolive. Dayon kung walay cream silk nga green, bisag unsa na lang basta kay cream silk.
So height 180 pixel, and then the width is 10 pixel maybe, and then the position is absolute, margin, auto, and top 0, left 0, right 0, and bottom 0 for the center. And then the color, of course, background. The color is the blue color here. That. And let's push this to the left side. Let's push this and put a negative value here. 200 maybe. To 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 to 70. Maybe 300 like that. Then let's make this thicker. 20. Okay, let's push this to the left. 20. 10. Okay. Copy. Paste for the left. So name this left. Great. Okay. So submit. View. Then let's wait.
Dari ka lang kita, right? Oo, gusto mo sa